Alright, this is the river that comes through our town here. It is way out of bounds. It is flooded. And we had tornadoes rip through our state, the south, yesterday and the last 2 days. But I wanted to show you, this is way out of bounds. I'm gonna make it, I'll bring you back. All right, I'm on the other side of the bridge now, but this is how flooded it is. They said Bedford County, that river was flooded. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, this is on the other side of the river. I'm behind the light company over here. The whole field is just about flooded up. I was across the river over yonder when I started. I saw on Facebook this morning it was flooded this morning, so I thought I'd get out and show y'all what the Mother Nature had in for us. It was a rough night last night. I went to the storm shelter last night and stayed about 2.5 hours. So, if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. And if you want to be notified when I got another video coming out, just hit that little bell. Thank you.